Ever feel like you're just shuffling clutter from one spot to another? Let's break the cycle with just 10 minutes a day. Imagine this. Every day a timer goes off. Ding! It's your new best friend calling you to 10 minutes of decluttering. Sounds doable, right? Pick a spot, any spot. Maybe that drawer that eats your socks or the kitchen counter that's become a gadget graveyard. Set that clock and let's dive in. First, the quick sort. 3 piles: keep, donate, discard. Be ruthless. If it hasn't seen the light of day in a year, it's time to say goodbye. Now grab those keepers. Find them a home where you can see them, use them, or at least know where to find them. But wait, don't just shove things back in. Give that space a quick wipe. Doesn't that feel better? A clean space is like a breath of fresh air for your home. As the timer ticks down, step back and admire your handiwork. Feels good, doesn't it? Here's the kicker. Doing this daily not only keeps your place looking sharp, but it also drops your stress levels. Who knew 10 minutes could make such a difference? You're not just tidying up, you're crafting a calmer, more enjoyable living space. And that's it. Rinse and repeat daily. You'll be amazed at how much you can achieve one timer session at a time. So, ready to take the 10-minute declutter challenge? Trust me, your future self will thank you.